Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is lesson 31 of the Learn French vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to health and medicine. Your journey towards knowledge continues here. Stay focused and enjoy the learning process. Let's start off with the vocabulary set. Doctor. Le docteur. La docteure. Nurse. L'infirmier ou l'infirmière. Patient. Le patient ou la patiente. Hospital. L'hôpital. Medicine. Le médicament. Pain. La douleur. Fever. La fièvre. Cold. Illness. Le rhume. Cough. La toux. Headache. Le mal de tête. Pharmacy. La pharmacie. Prescription. L'ordonnance. Treatment. Le traitement. Health. La santé. Clinic. La clinique. That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Antibiotic. L'antibiotique. Vaccine. Le vaccin. Surgery. La chirurgie. Infection. L'infection. Symptom. Le symptôme. Diagnosis. Le diagnostic. Blood pressure. La tension artérielle. Appointment. Le rendez-vous. Emergency. L'urgence. Recovery. La récupération. Chronic. Chronique. Allergy. L'allergie. Virus. Le virus. Bandage. Le pansement. X-ray. La radiographie. That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences. Le docteur est très compétent. The doctor is very competent. Le docteur est très compétent. The doctor is very competent. L'infirmière est gentille. The nurse is kind. L'infirmière est gentille. The nurse is kind. Le patient attend dans la salle d'attente. The patient is waiting in the waiting room. Le patient attend dans la salle d'attente. The patient is waiting in the waiting room. L'hôpital est grand. The hospital is big. L'hôpital est grand. The hospital is big. Je dois prendre un médicament. I need to take medicine. Je dois prendre un médicament. I need to take medicine. L'antibiotique est efficace. The antibiotic is effective. L'antibiotique est efficace. The antibiotic is effective. Le vaccin est nécessaire. The vaccine is necessary. Le vaccin est nécessaire. The vaccine is necessary. La chirurgie est complexe. The surgery is complex. La chirurgie est complexe. The surgery is complex. L'infection se propage. The infection is spreading. L'infection se propage. The infection is spreading. Le symptôme est visible. The symptom is visible. Le symptôme est visible. The symptom is visible. This brings us to the end of the video. Well done on finishing the lesson. Excellent work. See you in the next video.